Let me start with the speech of the chairman of NNPP. That speech has actually captured all the challenges we are facing in this country. I never thought anybody would be asked to make any remarks after listening to that speech. But let me say or advise that the speech delivered by the chairman of NNPP be sent to all the embassies, particularly the Western democratic embassies in this country, as the position of the Nigerian opposition political parties. And again, what you must bear in mind is that the collapse of democracy in Nigeria is going to lead to the collapse of democracy in Africa, because we are the largest democracy in Africa. These are some of the consequences that will definitely affect other democracies in Africa. So I will urge that, or I will call other opposition parties that are not here today to make sure that they are part of this movement of the unity of the opposition parties to ensure we restore our democracy.